Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Here is a super quick stock market update. Want to make sure that you guys are aware of what it is that's going on right now. Pretty much a break-even day for NASDAQ. I mean, NASDAQ is down 0.37%. One of the trades that was caught within my live trading session today, just so you can see, I'm up $6,000, almost $7,000 on the day. I left myself with 5K shares as of right now. SQQQ, I only have my one lucky share, so I have not traded that one today. But this one was all caught within my live trading session with the LPP team. Friendly reminder, if you ever want to watch me trade live, I trade live every single morning right at market open, exclusively, yes, only privately for our LPP team. And if you want to get access to that, it's the second link down below. But one of the things that we set up very nicely for is I was up about 2K locked in profits as we, continue to show no signs of progress beyond 25.30. I just sent out an update to our LPP team that we're approaching that same level. I'm going to reduce another 1,500 shares over here. Again, just because I'm selling doesn't mean that you need to justify that sell. I'm just, again, looking at previous patterns. We have that same underlying resistance right around 25.30. So I'm taking that into consideration where, obviously this thing is still bullish. I'm leaving obviously an open position right now still for the potential of this thing to continue to make new highs. But just in case it does pull on back, by reducing my position size, I don't carry a larger form of risk, right? So understanding the resistance range, understanding the support range. I mean, today was literally a textbook set up for, pre-market. We were showing signs of a support. There was no more progress in it selling off by the time that the market opened. This is what encouraged me to take a position in TQs. I didn't care that TQs was in the red because my intention was to day trade it, and I knew that not just on that it had recovery potential within the day, but if you actually look at the 30-minute time frame, you can see this beautiful ascending uptrend pattern, right? So by being able to understand overbought and oversold levels, you can see that we're approaching this, support at the moving average. If you look at it on the 1 hour time frame, this is pretty much support at the EMA. If we do break below this 24.50 support, then we can run our way back down to around $22.80 to $23 because of the support that we have within this moving average. So overall, understanding overall big pictures is super important because it does play a role on how aggressive I choose to be with my day trades, right? Some people only focus on, the 1 day, 1 minute time frame, and I just feel like this isn't enough data to really understand the entire big picture, right? And by looking at the 5 minute, by looking at the 30 minute, by looking at the 1 hour, not only do I understand the intraday, movement, but I also understand, hey, has the market or is the market more bullish than it is bearish, right? Are we bound to, show signs of a potential support? Why are we consolidating here so much, right? Why is it showing signs of a support? And if you take a step back, look at the 30-minute time frame, I mean, it's very easy to see that it's literally a textbook setup, pulling back to the moving average, showing signs of a support, testing for potential reversals. So if this thing begins to make new highs, then great, I'll add more to it. And that's exactly what I told the LPP team, that we're looking for either the break above $26 or the break below pretty much $24. And it doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish, right? We'll trade whatever the direction ends up telling us. And I think that played a really big role in my success today, is not caring if the market is bullish or bearish, just really focusing on, not being afraid to lock in profits and understanding overall market direction. So as of right now, it looks like, again, we're retesting that 25.30. One of the things that I want to make sure that you guys are aware of is we have no economic reports today. There shouldn't be anything too significant this upcoming week. The only thing that when it comes down to economic reports, but when it comes down to speeches, so Jerome Powell does speak tomorrow. I made sure my LPP team knew about this. It's at 12:40, so I'll leave it up to you guys. I'll either host this privately for our LPP team or I'll make it free on YouTube, and it's up to you. So if this video gets over 2,000 likes, I'll host it for free. But again, it needs to get 2,000 likes 1 hour before the actual discussion. So at 12:40 p.m. tomorrow, Jerome Powell, which is the head of the Federal Reserve, is going to be having a discussion. And obviously, Jerome Powell is probably one of the most influential people right now for the stock market, as he is the head of the Federal Reserve, and whatever he says can pretty much change of what's already being factored into the overall market. So I would be more than happy to host that live stream. I just want to make sure enough people show up, and I'll leave that up to you guys. So if you guys want me to host that free live stream here on YouTube, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, get this video to over 2,000 likes 1 hour before 12:40 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow, and I'd be more than happy to make it happen. Other than that, there are a series of earning reports that are being released released this week. Big tech was last week. We do have, some bigger companies being sprinkled out throughout the week, but nothing too significant, at least not in my radar. If you guys have any questions about, what we talked about today, what we covered today, feel free to shoot me a direct message via Instagram or via Discord, and that's the first or third link down below. Friendly reminder, today we are going to be announcing the giveaway winner for the Apple Watch Ultra giveaway, and that's going to be on Instagram Live. So make sure if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, that's that third link down below. I'm using the Webull trading application, so if you want to download it, it is free to everyone in the US, and you can earn up to 12 free shares when you deposit $1 by using my link, and that's the fifth link in the description down below. I do trade live every day, just like I said, and if you want to be able to watch me trade live every day moving forward, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0. It's our biggest sell right now, and it's the second link in the description. I offer nothing else. I don't do anything else. I work with one team and one team only. If you want my time, if you want my help, if you want my assistance, if you want access to me, I offer one thing, and it's the second link in the description down below. It is not free, and it's only for the LPP team. So like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.